Good evening and welcome to 200forexflips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 23rd of March 2018. Okay guys, it was a very successful day trading with my signals. So I'm going to start today's discussion. This is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. And guys, let's get started with EURUSD. I have supplied a clear bullish trend in case of EURUSD today. 123353 was the predicted entry from my side. And guys, you can see a very good clear pattern on the chart, and it has went even near to the targeted price 123775. So guys, if you have taken a buy trade on EURUSD, then you must be in very good profits because it has went so many pips high. Okay, now let's talk about another massive trade that was taken on New Zealand USD. It hit the targeted price. This is the right second signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bullish trend 072249 from this area, and you can see that the target price is already hit on New Zealand USD 072628. The gap was quite high. I sent one signal a day in my signals report. I do not supply the signals all the day like other providers. Only one signal, one decision on one pair. If it takes a U-turn, then only we take a trade. Otherwise, we do not take a trade. So this is called day trading. So guys, whatever I teach you in my lessons, this is all about the day trading, and this is the safest form to stay in this market. If you are scalping on the lower time frames, then this will be not recommended and you will be going to lose your money in no time. So if you want to stay for a longer period of time in Forex, then you will have to follow the higher time frames and you will have to stick the rules. Okay, now let's talk about a Great Britain pound USD. It was a very easy trade. The consecutive third signal that's hit as per the signals report. A clear bullish trend was provided to the subscribers in the morning from 141212. And guys, you can see that today the market has taken a smaller U-turn, and after that it has went up, and hopefully you people must have caught the 3 hours profit on Great Britain pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about on USDJPY. This is the fourth consecutive signal that we have hit today. So we had a drop on USDJPY, and the picture was bearish in the morning when I was preparing the signals report. But as per my experience, as per my technical analysis, I have turned from bearish into bullish, and this is never an easy signal to give when the market is like this. When you are getting the things like this in the morning, it was not easy to give a bullish signal. But however, with the grace of God, with the experience, I have tried my best to save my subscribers today. So 104662 was the predicted entry for a bullish trend from my side, and guys, you can see a very good bullish trend today on 23rd of March on USDJPY. It has recovered in the early session of the day that I have provided with the report. Okay, now let's talk about AUD/USD. I think there is no need to explain it because the signal is just on the way. So guys, I have supplied the bearish trend, but however today the market went, it kept itself in a range. So I think there is no need to to discuss about this pair, but overall I had a bearish expectation for the day on that pair. Okay, and now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. Now guys, the track record is on YouTube. Watch my videos that I have supplied you on a daily basis. Then I have spoke this word on the basis of the higher time frames when the market was here. I already talked about this thing, that USD Canadian dollar has moved so much high. If we look at the previous trend on USD Canadian dollar, it was so high and I was expecting a drop, and that drop was already predicted by me. And you can watch my videos and the previous videos, and you can just watch my analysis and you will get the things about this. So for today, I have again supplied the bearish trend from 129045, and you can see a massive drop right from this area, and the single candle has touched and went inside the 128 zone. 128320 was the predicted targeted price from my side, and we have a good drop on this pair. So hopefully I'm quite sure, damn sure, that most of the subscribers must have closed their trades today in profits. At last, going to talk about the last pair, Great Britain pound JPY. Again, the things were very difficult to predict in the market, but today I have supplied the bullish signal from 147951, and you can see a straight and very clear bullish trend today right from the level that I have predicted in the morning, and it has even went near to the target price 149002. So guys, if you have taken a bullish trade today on Great Britain pound JPY, then I'm hopeful you people must be in very good profits as per the trading as per the signals report. So guys, the signals report that I sent on a daily basis is based on my personal experience, whereas you can see the trading indicators that are on the screen. This is This is what software guides you, but please note that nothing is more good than the human judgment. The software only helps up to 60 to 65%, not more than this. If you cannot fully rely on the indicators. However, these are the best indicators in the market. If you use them with confirmations, like we have a drop from the top red boundary, which is the overbought levels. We have a drop here, the market went inside towards the oversold level, and after this it started recovery from the oversold level, and then the market moved up again. It moved into the overbought levels, and then we have seen a rejection. This is how we use the trading system. So hopefully traders, I'm quite sure that you people must have closed this week in a very good profitable way. So those subscribers who have made money by using my signals, I just recommend them to send their reviews to my email so that I can share on my Facebook page. Moreover, guys, must search 200 Forex clips on Facebook. You will find the reviews that the customers have already given about the services. Moreover, guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend.